Good day everyone! This is Sir JM. Andito na naman tayo para matuto ng math. Tara!
Our lesson for today is all about properties of parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram. We have 5 properties of parallelogram. Number 1. In parallelogram, any two opposite sides are congruent. Number 2. In a parallelogram, any two opposite angles are congruent. Number 3. In parallelogram, any two consecutive angles are supplementary. Number 4. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. And number 5. Diagonals of parallelogram divide a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Let's have an example. Number 1. If AB is equal to 8 and AD is equal to 6, what is the measure of BC and CD? Now let us find first the measurement of BC. This is side BC. Then the opposite side of side BC is side AD. And what is the measure of AD? Yes, that is 6. Now, according to our properties, in parallelogram, any two opposite sides are congruent. Therefore, AD is congruent to BC. If you say congruent, they have equal in measurement. Therefore, AD is equal to BC. Since the measure of AD is equal to 6, therefore, BC is also 6. Now, let us find the value of CD. Okay, CD is the opposite side of side AB. Now, the measure of AB is 8. Let us go back to the properties that opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Since AB and DC are opposite to each other, therefore, they have AB is congruent to CD. Again, if we say congruent, they have equal in measurement. Therefore, AB is equal to CD. Since the measure of AB is equal to 8, therefore, CD is also 8. Let's have number 2 example. If angle A is equal to 135 degrees, what is the measure of angle C? Okay, this is angle A. This is 135 degrees. And the unknown angle na pinapahanap sa atin is angle C. Now, what do you think is the relationship of angle C and angle A? Okay, angle A and angle C are opposite angles. According to properties, opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, angle A is congruent to angle C. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle C. If the measure of angle A is equal to 135 degrees, then the measure of angle C is also very good, 135 degrees. Let's have another example. If angle A is equal to 135 degrees and angle B is the unknown, what do you think is the measure of angle B? Now, let us first identify the relationship of angle B and angle A. Okay, angle A and angle B are consecutive angles. Now, we go back to our properties. Consecutive angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Now, if the measure of angle A is 135 plus the measure of angle B is equal to 180 degrees, what is our next procedure? Okay, transfer 135 at the right side of our equation. Therefore, we have angle B is equal to 180 minus 135. Then 180 minus 135. Yes, angle B is equal to 45 degrees. Now, angle A is 135. Angle B is 45. 135 plus 45 is 180 degrees. Let's have another example. If AE is equal to 6 and DB is equal to 16, what is the measure of EC, AC, and DE, and also EB? Let us go back to our properties. Okay, again, what is AC? Yes, this is our diagonals. DB is also diagonals. Then if they bisect each other, therefore AE is congruent to EC and DE is also congruent to EB. Now, if the measure of AE is 6, since AE is equal to EC, therefore AC is also 6. Then, since AE is 6 and EC is 6, AC is equal to 12. Yes, we just add the value or the measurement of AE and EC. AC is 12. Next, what is the measure of DE? Okay, since DB is equal to 16 and bisected by diagonal AC, therefore DB is divided into two equal measurements. Now, we just divide 16 by 2. 16 divided by 2, yes, that is 8. Therefore, DE is equal to 8. And EB is also 8. Next example. If AB is equal to 3x minus 5 and BC is equal to 2y minus 7, CD is equal to x plus 7, and AD is equal to y plus 3, what is the value of x, y, and the measure of all sides? Now, first let us find the value of x. Okay, we have AB and CD. What do you think is the relationship of side AB and CD? Yes, they are opposite side. Now, according to our properties, Opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, AB is congruent to CD. If we say congruent, AB is equal to CD. Now, what is AB? We have 3x minus 5 is equal to CD. Yes, x plus 7. Then, transfer x at the left side and negative 5 at the right side of our equation. We have 3x minus x is equal to 7. Transfer negative 5, magiging positive 5. Simplify, 3x minus x is 2x is equal to 7 plus 5, that is 12. Then, divide it both sides by 2. X is equal to, yes, very good, that is 6. Since x is equal to 6, now let us apply it for the value of AB. Okay, we have AB is equal to 3x minus 5. Applying the value of x, AB is equal to 3 times the value of x is 6 minus 5. Then we have AB is equal to 3 times 6, 18 minus 5. Therefore, AB is equal to 13. Since AB is congruent to CD, therefore, CD is also 13. Now, let us find for the value of y. We have BC and AD. Again, what is the relationship between AD and BC? Yes, very good. They are opposite sides. Again, opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, AD is congruent to BC. We have AD is equal to BC. Then we have AD is, yes, y plus 3 is equal to BC to y minus 7. Then we have, okay, we have 3, transfer 7 at the left side. We have positive 7 is equal to y, transfer y at the right side, minus y. Simplify, 3 plus 7 is 10 is equal to 2y minus y is y. Therefore, y is equal to 10. Then, let us find for the value of BC. Since y is equal to 10, then we have BC is equal to 2y minus 7. BC is equal to 2 times the value of y, 10 minus 7. BC is equal to 2 times 10 is 20 minus 7. BC is equal to 13. Since BC is congruent to AD, therefore, AD is also 13. Let's have another example. If the measure of angle A is equal to 2A plus 25 degrees, while the measure of angle C is 3A minus 15 degrees, what is the value of A and the measure of all angles? Now, let us identify first the relationship of two angles. We have given angles angle A and angle C. Okay. The relationship of two angles, they are opposite angles. Now, according to our properties, opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. Very good. Therefore, angle A is congruent to angle C according to properties. Then we have angle A is equal to angle C. Then the measure of angle A is 2A plus 25 is equal to 3A minus 15. Okay, transfer negative 15 at the left side and 2A at the right side. We have 25 plus 15 is equal to 3A minus 2A. 25 plus 15 is, very good, that is 40 is equal to 3A minus 2A. Yes, that is A. Therefore, A is equal to 40. Applying the value of A to our given, we have angle A is equal to 2A plus 25. Okay, angle A is equal to 2 times the value of A is 40 plus 25. We have angle A is equal to 80. 2 times 40 is 80 plus 25. Angle A is 80 plus 25 is, very good, that is 105. Okay, angle A is 105. Since angle A and angle C are congruent, therefore angle C is also 105. Now, what do you think is the measurement of the other angle? How about angle B? What is the relationship between angle A and angle B? Very good, they are supplementary. Therefore, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Since the measure of angle A is 105 plus angle B is equal to 180, then we have angle B is equal to 180 minus, transfer natin yung 105 minus 105. We have angle B is equal to 180 minus 105. Yes, very good, that is 75. Now, what is the relationship between angle B and angle D? They are opposite angles. Therefore, angle B is congruent to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle D. What is the measure of angle B? 75. Therefore, angle D is also 75.
Thank you for listening. Don't forget to follow, like, and share my FB page at Math with Sir JM and subscribe my YouTube channel, Math with Sir JM. Stay tuned for more videos. Baka mat yan!